So for today's look, I wanted something that could literally go with anything that you would wear. So I hope that you guys like what you're seeing and that you guys will stay tuned. So my camera just died on me while I was going to put on some highlighter, but I just used the NARS illuminating powder, the Orgasm one, I believe, and it's really pretty. I hope that it focuses on the powder. So yeah, and then I paired it with a brown liner by e.l.f. and I used a little bit of that Surat lip kind of gloss on top. So I hope that you guys like the look, and yeah, this look can literally go with anything. That's kind of why I wanted to create something like this, because I feel like it's a little hard sometimes to pair a look with like whatever clothing you're wearing. I'm acting like there's not people waiting for me downstairs and I don't have to leave. I'm real cute. So guys, if you see this video, just know that I was here sitting down while you guys were waiting downstairs for me. But I hope that you guys liked the tutorial too. So thank you so much for watching. I'm feeling real cute or whatever.